Hello, camera enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the Leica M11, a rangefinder camera that merges traditional craftsmanship with advanced technology. Whether you're familiar with Leica or curious about its latest features, stay tuned to learn all about what this camera offers. The Leica M11 is designed for photographers who appreciate a blend of classic aesthetics and cutting-edge performance. It maintains the iconic M-series rangefinder design while packing a host of modern updates. With a full-frame sensor, robust build quality, and impressive software enhancements, it caters to professionals and serious enthusiasts alike. At the heart of the Leica M11 is a 60-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor. This sensor not only delivers outstanding detail and resolution, but also supports triple-resolution technology, allowing you to shoot at 60 megapixel, 36 or 18 megapixel. This versatility lets you optimize file sizes and performance based on your specific shooting needs. The camera features an ISO range of 64 to 50,000, offering exceptional performance in various lighting conditions. Combined with a dynamic range of up to 15 stops, the M11 is well equipped for high-contrast scenarios, retaining details in both shadows and highlights. The Leica M11 comes with a larger battery that provides up to 64% more shots per charge compared to its predecessor. It also introduces an internal 64 GB memory, a first for the M series, allowing you to shoot without a memory card in a pinch. Unlike earlier models, the M11 features a lighter body thanks to its aluminum top plate. Despite this weight reduction, it retains the durability and premium feel that Leica is known for. The camera is built for portability without compromising on ruggedness. Modern photographers will appreciate the M11's connectivity features. It includes USB-C for charging and data transfer, along with compatibility with the Leica Photos app for wireless image transfer and remote control. Leica emphasizes user flexibility with its new menu system and customizable controls. You can tailor the interface to match your shooting style, ensuring quick access to frequently used settings. The Leica M11 delivers a refined photography experience by blending Leica's timeless design philosophy with modern advancements. It's a camera that caters to the needs of today's photographers while honoring the brand's rich legacy. Thank you for watching. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content on cameras and photography. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the Leica M11. See you in the next video.